Kind of enjoying the snow a little bit. It wasn't enough to be really brutal, just enough to be picturesque. A little dusting here in the nation's capital. Yes, and I don't know, there's a certain charm to it. But then again, it can be a pain in the tuchus when you get stuck. Of course, I got me a four-wheel drive. I don't have to worry about it, but I remember before I did, especially even in this kind of snow where there's ice underneath the snow, man, you get your tires on a wet spot, you just can't move that thing. Well, that's one good thing about living in Washington, D.C. There's more than enough winos to go around. And they're always ready to make a few bucks. I don't mean have them help you push. I mean get them underneath the tires for traction. Oftentimes they're so tanked up anyway, they won't really feel it. Besides that, even if they do, what the hey? I don't look at it as hurting them. I look at it as giving them a free passport into a hospital for the indigent. They can lie there and get some good chow. Tire burns, hey, that's good for a couple weeks stay anyway. They'll stay warm, they'll meet friendly nurses, shave, actually go to the bathroom in porcelain convenience. So that's why the last time I got stuck when I had a regular car, I kind of giggled as I walked up to that ugliest, nastiest, stinkingest wino I ever saw. I said, "Hey, buddy, how are ya?"
Hello. Lale. This is John Merrick.
Yeah, buddy. How'd you like to make $5? $5, yeah.
Yes.
Just think, you could probably buy you a whole other bottle of wine with that $5. Tell you what, my car is stuck in this alleyway down here. You come down here with this alleyway, help me get her out of there, and I'll give you $5. Yeah, kind of push. Tell you what, here, come on down here with me. Now look it down here. See, it's in this little drip here, and this one traction tire as it's spinning. Yeah, here, get right over here by this tire. Here you go. Yeah. Now get down there. All right, now you stay right there. Now let me just rock it back and forth a little bit here. Yeah, shut up. There we go. Hey, thank you, buddy. And don't look so sad. Hey, look. At least I sanded the boils on your behind, huh? Ah!